Hey guys, it's Katie here, and if you have been wondering if it's possible to make sales with Facebook ads overall, or if you're wondering if it's possible to make sales with just a few website visitors with Facebook ads, yes, it is absolutely possible. I was just able to get my client's first sale with just of 1 day of running a Facebook ad with just 6 website visitors to her website. So it is absolutely possible. Yes, it does require some testing. It requires a strategy that you want to use, in order to get those sales. Whether it is that you're doing network marketing, affiliate marketing, a coaching business, or anything else that you're selling online, it is possible to succeed with Facebook ads. And again, as I said, I was able to get my client a first sale within just first day of running her Facebook ad. And if you are looking for coaching or guidance on how to set up the Facebook ads in order to start getting results with them, I'm offering you guys, and I'm open to do coaching. And if you want to check out more or learn more about my coaching, go ahead and check out the link below the video. Also, I do offer done for you services. It's where I set up your Facebook ads and run your Facebook ads for you if you don't want to go through the learning curve, and maybe you don't have time to do the advertising, or for any other reasons. I'm here for you guys to also do your Facebook ads on your behalf. So I just want to give you an update and let you know that I do offer that, and that it's absolutely possible. Just never give up. If you know that other people are getting results with a specific strategy, or whatever it is that you are doing, and you don't see the results yet, keep on fighting, keep on doing whatever needs to be done in order to get that result. And even if you don't see the result yet, don't give up. Don't ever give up, because if my client would have gave up, obviously she wouldn't have those Facebook ads running for her and getting her results. If I would have given up on testing out different ads for my clients, I wouldn't be able to get the results that they are getting now. So just never give up. Keep on doing whatever it is that needs to be done in order to get the result. And again, if you need any guidance, I do offer coaching as well as advertising services. Just go ahead and check out the link below this video. We can also jump on a quick call and go over what exactly you're looking for. And I usually offer just a free strategy session when we are talking for the first time. So and then we decide how we want to move on from there. All right, I will talk to you guys later. And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family here, and also like this video if you enjoyed it, and I look forward to talking to you very soon.